The government of Manipur has declared a day of mourning today to honor the memory of His Excellency Dr. Syed Ibrahim Raisi, President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, who lost his life in helicopter crash alongside Hossein Amir Abdullahian, Iran's foreign minister. Iran President Ibrahim Raisi was killed in a helicopter crash in East Azerbaijan province on Sunday. Elections to elect the next president will be held on June 28. The chopper carrying Iran President Raisi and his foreign minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian had disappeared over a mountainous region. There was no sign of life among passengers of the helicopter, Iran's state television said. Upon finding the helicopter, there was no sign of the helicopter passengers being alive as of yet, the state TV said. This incident follows a period of heightened regional tensions, particularly in light of the Gaza conflict and Iran's recent escalations with Israel. President Raisi, who has been in the office since 2021, has pledged Iran's steadfast support for Palestine, a stance reiterated during his recent dam inauguration speech. In a solemn proclamation issued by the governor's office, Manipur will pay its respects by flying the national flag at half-mast on all government buildings and offices across the state. Additionally, all official entertainment activities scheduled for the day will be suspended as a mark of solemn remembrance.